Hello, my name is Sheila Amory. I am a project officer at the International Federation on Aging, also known as IFA. In the upcoming months, IFA is delighted to be convening a series of 4 webinars titled Building Global Momentum for Adult Vaccination Policy within COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused major disruptions to the vaccination landscape, which is alarming considering vaccination is one of the most successful public health measures of modern times, preventing up to 3 million deaths worldwide every year, second only to clean water. The importance of access to vaccination across a life course is vital for older persons and other marginalized populations. The first webinar of the webinar series on December 10th is titled Protecting Progress in Accessing Adult Vaccination. Despite progress made in improving access to adult vaccination over the years, the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted routine immunization services on a global scale and threatens to reverse progress made in the vaccination narrative. The webinar aims to protect progress made while continuing to advocate for the effectiveness of vaccination. The second webinar on January 20th is titled The Case for Investment in Health Prevention and Promotion. Outbreaks and pandemics are unpredictable, but investing in prevention, protection, and health promotion, particularly for our vulnerable populations, can mean that our healthcare systems and the most vulnerable in our society are protected in the most effective and prudent way. The webinar aims to advocate for greater investment in public health infrastructure essential to adult vaccination programs. The third webinar, March 10th, is titled Equity in Vaccination Coverage for All Ages. While preventative interventions such as routine vaccination are proven means of maintaining functional capacity and avoiding future decline, there remains disparity in the recommended vaccination coverage targets between infants and older people, as well as across countries and regions. The third webinar aims to improve understanding of the importance of adopting a rights-based framework in the implementation of adult vaccination policies and programs towards equitable access and vaccine coverage. The fourth webinar on March 31st is titled Prevention, Access, and Equity. The COVID-19 pandemic has unearthed an uncomfortable structural and societal ageism affecting the human rights of millions of people around the world. The fourth webinar aims to collectively build support and momentum to advocate for routine immunization policies against VPDs or vaccine preventable diseases across the life course. Collectively, the webinar series focuses on 3 key vaccination-related policy areas: prevention, access, and equity within a rights-based framework that have validity and resonate at a global level and also a country level. Participants will be better informed on the frameworks for changing these policies in line with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, the Decade of Healthy Aging 2020 to 2030, and the WHO Immunization Agenda 2030. I really look forward to virtually meeting with you all at the first webinar on Zoom on December 10th.